And hello and welcome to this edition of Livegood video. So today I continue to do my calling. I have been consistently consistent with calling, and I called another 6 new people today and followed up with other people as well. So spoke to some people on the phone, presented. Some people said that they were not interested. It's all good. It's getting the word out there. Some will, some won't. So what? Next. So um, did that today. So the topic of this video is going to be, it's going to be a quick one tonight. It's going to be about, we talked earlier about how you can do the Live Good business anywhere in the world. You could be a digital nomad, you could be in an RV, you can do it from an Airbnb or an internet cafe or Starbucks or whatever. This is also a good business to promote to anywhere in the world because Live Good is in most countries. And, when it comes to business opportunities, a lot of business opportunities are just in that same geographical area, maybe only in the United States or in North America, or maybe a few of the bigger ones are in a handful of countries. Live Good is all over the place. You can market to Europe, you can market to Africa. Now here, South Africa is really like blowing up. I mean, they've got a lot of people in South Africa that are getting on board with Live Good. South America, Asia, all these, make it much more easier to get the word across. And on Live Good page, they have a translate feature where you could translate into all of these different languages. So you basically it doesn't cost that much to get started. So opportunity is literally open to practically all countries in the world. I think there's maybe a couple of countries that they can't operate in because of sanctions or whatnot. But pretty much every country in the world can participate and be in Live Good. Live Good will get the products out to them. The products are not heavy and they don't require a whole lot of packaging and all that. So there's some, but they think they can really inexpensively get the products to the customers. So, and I know from the training calls that they're talking about, ramping up more production, opening up other distribution centers, and that's coming. It's a brand new company, so just in the United States alone, they're generating a lot of revenue, and they may even be going through some growing pains because so many people are getting involved, and they're trying to keep pace with the production and staff and customer support. And you're going to have all those traditional problems that any other company will have when it goes through those growing pains. Even today, like the super reds, the reds, they said that hey, a lot of people love these super reds, and they are going out of stock, and they're selling out before they can manufacture them. So there might be like a couple weeks where that if you wanted to buy the reds, they may not be in stock. And so a lot of people, they start taking nutritional supplements. They want to be consistent, and they want to maintain taking them all the time. They don't want to just take them for a little bit and then go off of them and then restart it later. So that's why Live Good today went out, and their nutritional director sent an email saying, hey, if you want reds, get it now while you can, because we might not have. It might be a couple weeks where we might be out of stock. So that's pretty cool. They're on top of it. They're really trying to do everything they can to manage the influx of people. I think they can do a lot more, and they're holding back because the website, there's not a lot of bells or whistles or polish to it. It's really just very practical. And because I think if they really spiffed it up, they could see themselves getting to a point where they have more demand than they do supply, and then that could be problematic. Because they want to. First impressions are important. Somebody coming in, they want to fulfill orders quickly. They want to handle customer service issues. They want to take care of the people who are promoting the business. So all of that is really important. So all I can say is take care of yourself you're in the right place at the right time. You know, being able to see the opportunity before, before the results materialize, I think is the cornerstone of success. Because a lot of people are saying, well, I'll wait to get involved, I'll wait for them to sort out all these issues, or I'll wait for it to come to my country, my geographical area. And that's a mistake. You want to be among the very first people, because it's so much easier. And so your success, I believe, you're more likely to succeed if you do this from the beginning. Now, I think this opportunity will still be good a year, 5 years, 10 years from now. It'll still be a great opportunity. But now, especially, this is when you get the compounding effect. When you get involved right now, that's when it's really going to take off. That's what I believe. If you really apply yourself and you do the hard work and you go out of your way to contact people, because there's 3% of the people out there are looking for an opportunity and will consider it and they will act on it. 97% of the people are not. They're 97% of the people, they cry and they complain and they go to their job that they hate, and they're not interested in changing their lives. And only 3%, but that 3% represents millions and millions and millions of people. There's an infinite amount of people that are interested, especially when the world, this is open to the world. It's not just 330 million Americans. It's 7 billion people, maybe 6 billion, 5 billion, who really can participate in this. But I mean, it's mind boggling how big this opportunity can be. So that's it for today. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.